If you want to make money with affiliate marketing, forget TikTok Shop. This is the only affiliate marketing strategy that I would do this year, and you can start without any experience. Let me show you exactly how this works. So this was my first million online with this exact affiliate marketing strategy, and it's not TikTok Shop. And this was the award that arrived in the mail, a physical award for that particular million. I've since then made almost 3 million, and I'm going to show you how I did this without TikTok Shop. I think that it's a much easier strategy, but it's way more leveraged, okay? Now, at any time, if you want, you can get this full strategy in my free masterclass in the comment section below, just letting you know so that you don't have to sit here and watch this entire video if you don't want to, all right? I'm going to jump on my screen and show you how this strategy works. So the first thing to understand is that with TikTok Shop, it's not that you can't make money from it, it's that there are a couple of issues, right? The first thing is that because you're selling physical stuff, you're not really going to make that much money, okay? So TikTok Shop affiliates earn a commission set by individual sellers, typically ranging from 1% to 80% of the product sale price. 1%, imagine that, that's so low, right? But most standard rates fall between 5 and 30%. Now, in terms of commission rates for affiliate marketing, 5%, 10%, 20%, 30% is considered very low, all right? So you want to sell a product that pays you at least, I would say 50% to 70% commissions. That way, it's a lot easier for you to make a lot of money. The other problem, if you think about it, is with TikTok Shop, they generally sell very low price point products. Beauty and skincare, supplements, clothing and fashion, home and kitchen, and electronics. So most of these products sit, around $50 or less, okay? Some will be a little bit more, but think about it. If you're making 5% commissions on a $50 product, that's really little money. I mean, that's like a couple of bucks, okay? And so you would have to sell volume. And if you think about all the very successful TikTok Shop affiliates out there, they literally have to be on TikTok all the time, doing TikTok lives, going viral, right? Selling products, and they have to sell thousands and thousands of products in order for them to hit $10,000 or $20,000 a month because the price points are low and the commission rates are low. So this combination right here requires volume. All right, which is very, very difficult. And let me show you my TikTok channel. You can see that I've got almost 300,000 followers, but would I do TikTok Shop? Never. I wouldn't do it just because of what I mentioned earlier. I think that if you're going to be on TikTok and you're going to be generating, thousands of views per video anyway, you may as well do the strategy that I'm about to teach you next because it's going to be so much easier for you to reach big goals like 10, 20, 30, 40, even $50,000 a month versus doing TikTok Shop, okay? So the first thing I would do is I would still do affiliate marketing, but I'm not going to sell physical products. I'm going to focus on digital products because digital products pay higher commissions. Plus, you can sell a digital product at a higher commission rate. Okay, so I just come into Gemini right here, top digital affiliate networks, and you can see ClickBank, Digistore24, Partner Stack, Impact A-Win. There are way more than this. There's like 20 of them out there, okay? But just as an example, Digistore24, I'm going to show you right now. I'm just going to log into Digistore24. I'm going to come to Affiliates and Marketplace. And then you can see at the top here, there is a digital products category, okay? You can sell in any of these categories. The category that I like is online and e-business because that's kind of like my space. Online business. And then I would basically categorize them by earnings per sale. And then you can see here that, for example, this product, you can earn $826 per sale. Okay, that beats 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, even $5 commissions all day, every day, right? This is one sale, okay? Now, yes, you're gonna have to do a little bit more work to sell it, but making a sale is a sale. It still requires a certain amount of effort, all right? So it's gonna be easier for you to hit 10K with $800 sales than, hitting 10K with $3 sales or $5 sales, right? Which is why we want to sell higher price products, digital products, higher value, higher price point, higher commission rates, which is awesome, right? All I would do now is just copy my promo link right here. It's copied, okay? So if I paste it anywhere and somebody buys, that's how you would make a commission from affiliate marketing. It's very simple, right? Now here's the next step. The next step is I want to get attention to my stuff. Now I can do that in many ways. I can use my TikTok channel, which you've seen right here, right? I can use my Instagram channel, which you can see right here. It's basically the same strategy. All I'm doing is I am creating content in my space. So let's just say in Digistore, whatever you decide to sell, whether it's fashion or fun and games or health and fitness or home and garden, you want to create content around your niche, right? So if I was selling a home and garden product, all of my videos would be about gardening, depending on what I'm selling. Maybe it's, you're talking specifically about how to grow a tomato garden in your backyard, and people really want to learn how to do that, right? Hey, just real quick, I'm not here to entertain you. I'm here to make you money. So if that's what you're here for, remember to subscribe. So all of my videos right here would be educating people about how to grow a garden in my backyard, right? So I'll be talking about how to cultivate the soil. I'll be talking about how to set up the, the garden properly, right? What tools would you need? Where would you buy your seeds? How often would you be watering your plants, right? So it's all the details, basically. Now, I wouldn't give them everything, but I would, teach them the strategy, okay? And I would replicate the same content on TikTok and on Instagram, all right? And the whole idea is that the more videos that you upload, the more views you're going to get. I mean, look at this video right here, right? 321,000 views. This is still going. This will probably hit about 500,000 views. This is a great video. And you can see how many people commented on this, right? 11,400 comments. It's insane. Now, I've got an automation in the background that sends people directly to the next step. All right, because we don't care about the followers, like I've got 78,000 followers here, but I don't care about the followers. I care about the views on the videos, because the more views we get, the more leads we can generate. So then we're going to send them to a page that looks something like this, okay? It's called a landing page, where we can capture their email address and follow up with them. You see, the problem with TikTok Shop, okay, is let's just say you're selling, you're doing a live on TikTok. If somebody doesn't buy your item straight away, they bounce off the website and they're gone forever, okay? We don't want to do that. We want to be able to follow up with them automatically. So with this particular strategy, someone lands here, they're interested, they leave their email address, and we're going to follow up with them on autopilot. Now, some people are going to buy, some people are not going to buy straight away. Some people might buy 30 days later, 15 days later, 60 days later, 90 days later. People are busy, right? Now, the whole idea is just to keep in front of them on a regular basis and, continue to email them so that when they're ready at some point, because you don't know what's going on in people's lives, right? They could have just got fired. They could have had a bad day at work. They could have gone to a fight with their spouse. You have no idea. Maybe they're traveling, okay? But at the right point, we're going to send them an email that has a good piece of value that they resonate with. We're going to teach them, train them, educate them, right? And when they're ready, they will buy through the affiliate link right below the value video that you just sent them. And that's how I made almost $3 million, okay? This strategy is way more sustainable than TikTok Shop, because with TikTok Shop, you have to constantly get out there and sell products and sell products and sell products. And if you don't go viral, you are not making any sales on TikTok Shop, trust me, right? And then there's a problem with the price points, the commission rates. They're so low. You would have to sell thousands and thousands of products every month to get anywhere close to $10,000 a month. It is possible, but it's very, very difficult. What I'm showing you right here is a much, much more realistic and long-term strategy, okay? So you pick a niche, you grab a product, you build a little sales funnel around that product, and then you drive lots of eyeballs into that sales funnel to build a relationship on autopilot, 80% automated, and really it just spits out profits when you do this consistently and you do this right. Okay, so if you would like to learn the strategy, let me know in the comment section below. Did you get some value in this video today? Let me know what you thought. Would appreciate some thumbs ups. And if you're like, Aaron, this looks awesome, how do I do this step by step? I teach you all of this in my free masterclass. You can grab it anytime you want in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video today. I will see you very soon on the next one.